Welcome. In this video I will show you how to prepare your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook for offline working. So you can do many things on your Chromebook offline. You can launch your pre-installed Linux application without any problem, but most of the apps on your computer are Google powered, Google service powered. Therefore, they need internet to work, but we can change this in each application we have on our computer. And to do that, you simply have to open a sample Google application. Then you're gonna have to find the gear icon which indicates this application settings. Click on it and then select See All settings within the application that you want to use offline. Then we're gonna have to navigate to Offline tab and enable offline mail or offline sheets or offline whatever, and then choose where you want to keep your offline data and click Save Changes. And this way you can readjust pretty much each application on your computer to work in it offline. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.